Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas in Quesadilla Maker. Only way. Preheat the quesadilla maker fully, then assemble a tortilla with your favorite cheese and fillings, fold or stack a second tortilla, and place gently in the press. Cook until the exterior is golden brown and the cheese is fully melted, checking through the release if your model allows, then remove carefully and let rest before slicing. Start with simple, flavorful fillings and layer for consistent melting. Grate cheese finely so it spreads quickly, and distribute proteins and veggies evenly to avoid soggy spots. Keep sauces light and consider sprinkling spices near the cheese for even flavor. If using leftovers, pat dry to remove excess moisture and chop uniformly. A light brush of butter on the outside will boost browning and add a pleasant crunch. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep you hydrated while flipping quesadillas, and it fits neatly beside your station for easy sips. It's handy, leak-resistant, and makes staying refreshed less distracting. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Trust your quesadilla maker settings and avoid rapid opening to maintain heat. If your model suggests flipping, do so once. Otherwise, allow even contact for consistent browning. Monitor timing on the first. Try to learn how long your combination needs for perfect melt and crisp. When done, lift with a spatula, rest briefly to let the cheese settle, then slice with a sharp cutter for clean wedges and easy serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.